Hello and welcome to this My Theme Shop video tutorial. Over the next couple of minutes I'm going to show you how to properly install your My Theme Shop WordPress theme on your self-hosted version of WordPress. There are a couple of different ways of doing this and I'm just going to run you through all the different options you've got available to you here. So the process for installing your WordPress theme is the same regardless of whether you're using a WordPress.org theme such as Point, which is available from My Theme Shop on WordPress.org, or a theme from your My Theme Shop members area at mythemeshop.com/go/member, and once you're logged in there you can access all of your themes. So the process is the same regardless of whether you download the theme here by expanding and then hitting download theme files, or whether on WordPress.org you hit download version. Doing either of those will download a zip file onto your computer which you can then install onto WordPress, which I'm going to show you how to do now. So back on the My Theme Shop dashboard, I'm going to download the theme files from magxp and hit download there, and as you can see that downloads a zipped file for me. I can go into my WordPress installation, upload that file, WordPress will extract the theme files, and then I can activate the theme. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So from your WordPress dashboard you want to go to Appearance and then Themes, and then click Add New, and then Upload. And here I can upload the zipped file I've just downloaded, whether that was from the My Theme Shop dashboard or from WordPress.org. So I'm going to hit Choose File, and now here you'll see I have that zipped file I just downloaded. So open that and then press Install Now. And now WordPress is going to upload that file for me, unzip it, and then I'll be able to activate the theme. And now I can see WordPress has unzipped the zipped file, installed the theme, and to activate it I just need to hit Activate. And I can see I now have the magxp theme installed on my WordPress installation, and I can now set up the different options there by heading to the theme options. But I'll just show you on my site's homepage. You can see I have the magxp theme running now. If we just go back to the dashboard and then Appearance and then Themes, I'm just going to quickly show you the other way you've got available to you for installing a WordPress theme, and this will only work for themes available on WordPress.org. So I'm going to show you how to add the Point theme. So again, go to Add New and then search for Point in this example, and I can see Point by My Theme Shop. I can click Install Now, and then again that's going to download it, and then I can just hit Activate. I'm now running the Point theme, and if I head over to my site's homepage and then hit refresh, you'll see this is the Point theme running. And I'll just take you back to the WordPress dashboard. So once your theme's up and running, you'll want to get the things like the theme options set up and your featured images and whatnot. There are additional videos available to you in order to find out how to properly set up your theme once you've got it installed. But if you have any queries or run into any problems, then please head over to the My Theme Shop support forums, and one of the support team will be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching.